Well, the new carburetor arrived. It actually showed up Monday, but there was a mix-up at the post office, so luckily I got there today and got it straightened out. This is on the Bronco for Rick. But yeah, I'm happy with it. I mean, fires right up. She's running nice and smooth. Sounds good for the most, overall. This is the right carburetor. So, but because the other carburetor had issues, shut this off. Because the other carburetor had issues and it was draining the fuel out of the bowl. Evidently it dumped it right down in. So now the oil, it smells like fuel. If I get this over here in the sun, you can see there's really no oil tint to it. So kind of frustrating because that's a waste of $32 for oil and a filter. So gonna have to change the oil again. Yeah, now the vacuum advance is hooked up for the distributor and everything. Everything's running good. Definitely need to get some spray on some engine degreaser and give this thing a bath. But yeah, I'm happy with it. The next thing to do is take these seats. That's an original. This is one that they picked up. And I gotta get the other seat out of the back there, get it bolted in. I gotta replace the bolts for that seat too. I only found one door panel. I gotta get that tire out and get it put on. Then I'm done. But yeah, they had 7 speakers back there. Well, looks like 8, 9. So that's interesting. But yeah, a little bit of more time and energy in this thing. Should be a good little vehicle. Other than the ugly color. And that's the thing that was the downfall for Rick. I mean, overall the back seat is in really nice shape. That's just an ugly color. And I agree with Rick. The red just does not look right. Of course, me, I always like to have a black interior. So, but anyways, that's just a quick update. One thing I never did find is a switch on the dash to raise and lower the back window. Mine had a switch over here next to the radio, and this one doesn't. So interesting. But and of course, the other thing I discovered is this is supposed to have a switch on this to lower the window, but it evidently doesn't. Evidently they took it out. So, all right. that's it for Mr. B's Garage today. Thank you for joining me. Have a good one.